I wanted to make a video real quick to talk about the one thing that I don't like about this Elite Manifold. And it really has nothing to do with the performance and everything to do with there being a giant Elite logo right on the face of it. No offense to these guys, but the last thing I want to see when I open up the hood is someone else's big logo on there. I actually hate it so much that I almost didn't even buy this. And it's kind of a big decision because this is $1,600. It's not cheap. So for a while I tried to look at all my options of what I could do to get around that. So my solution was to get a badge fabricated so that I can cover that up. I like the original design of the Cosmo intake where it has the 13B RE, but I wanted to do something that was a little bit more modernized. So I really like this font that I found, and just kind of did some measuring and got it to where I wanted it to be. Now the thing about this is raised lettering, so it should be pretty easy for me to grind this down. I'm just going to tape up the surrounding areas and then just take probably a little Dremel tool and just kind of get this down. It doesn't have to be perfect, and I could probably even get away with just putting this directly on there, but you can kind of see some gaps when you do it that way, and so I'd rather just have it be a little bit more flush. And so we'll work on doing that. Alright, I didn't want to film that whole thing because taking this off took me about 2 hours. As you can see, it's pretty clean. It's not perfect, but again, it doesn't have to be. This is going to go on there like this. And then for the area where there's a little bit of aluminum showing, I'll most likely just touch that up with some black paint.